This is just a quick reminder about what points of view are appropriate in what kinds of writing and how to use the Find feature in Microsoft Word and Google Drive to make sure that you're staying in the right point of view. To start with, it's important to remember that for most academic and professional writing, you're going to stay in the third person point of view. I've listed some of those pronouns here for you. He, she, they, one, his, hers, theirs, him, her, and them. That's generally appropriate. Some writing formats, like interviews and response writing, will allow you to use the first person point of view, where you're talking from your own perspective. You can use words like I, me, my, we, us, our, and ours. This is rare, and it should be noted specifically on your guidelines. Otherwise, avoid first person point of view also. Under no circumstances in academic or professional writing should you use a second person point of view when you are talking directly to your audience using the words you, your, or yours. So that's what I want to show you how to find in your reports. If you're in Google Drive, I'm using a set of icebreaker questions because I know that you is in here a lot. So what you want to do once you've typed your report in Google Drive is go over here to Edit, choose Find and Replace. Oh, I had already typed that in. But if you type in you will be able to see all of the instances where you've used the word you in your report, and you can go back and adjust the wording and language to avoid that. In Microsoft Word, it's almost the same, except the icon is up here on the right-hand corner. Go to Find, type in you, and it will show you also where you've used that word. If you want to make sure that you're not using I, me, or my, you can just search for those as well. It's a pretty simple tool, and it can make a big difference in your writing. So keep that in mind, and I hope it's helpful.